Who are you?
My name is Adize. I came from... No, I'm looking for a work. I want to work. I'm looking for a job. Anything at all.
You? Yes. It is you.
Yes. No.
It's you.
Me? I don't understand. I don't get what.
You think I will recognize you? I recognize you now. Yes. It's you. It's you.
Madam, please, what's the meaning of this? Are you romancing me or holding me?
Romancing you.
Madam, I don't understand.
No, you will know.
Madam, I don't understand what you are saying. Stop now, please. I came here to look for a job.
You came to look. You get the job.
Give me the job.
Don't worry now. Keep quiet.
Which one is I should keep quiet? What is it? Madam, let me go now. This is no long. Madam, you are matching me.
Hello?
You are matching me.
Hello, Ajibo? Yes. Madam. Yes. You know that girl that came to my shop the other day and stole all the phones? Yes.
Madam, leave me now. What kind of thing is this one now?
Yes. No, she cannot escape now.
Yes. Madam, free me.
She cannot escape. I'm with her. Just come here. You think I will not recognize? This is the bag. This is the bag you were holding the other day. You are not going anywhere.
Stop all this nonsense. What is all this?
Today the camera has come.
Madam, leave me alone now. Madam, what is wrong with you now?
You are not going anywhere.
Madam, stop this thing.
Okay, blow. Keep blowing. Keep blowing.
One blow, 10 apples.
Your day has come. You want to look for your job. Yeah. See this one. Pursue her. Chase her.
Get up! Where's that? Where's that?
They could not leave her when I try. Kill her. Idiot. See this bag. If not come back, I can't collect the bag. Idiot.
I'm innocent.
She don't die. Put this put on this side. If fire touch her body, she go wake up. Be like my friend. You don't know these people. You go do a deal with her. And you can't enter her, man.
The Prince of Mwezemazi plans to come to our kingdom on an official visit to see our daughter, Princess Oma, in 3 days' time. Yes, I was informed by his father, the king, just this morning.
I can't wait. Yes. Honestly, I can't wait to see our daughter, Princess Oma, become the queen of Umezemazi kingdom. That will be the greatest blessing the gods have ever favored me with.
Yes.
I am happy for this great news. Yes.
Yes. And by the way, where is she?
She's in no other place than her chamber. Yes.
I need to see the pretty face of my daughter. I haven't this morning.
It's all right. In that case, let me call one of the maids to go get her for you.
Yes.
Oluchi! Where is this girl?
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Oh, please.
Come in.
Are you mad? Since when did we become roommates for you to ask someone to come into my room without my permission? What nonsense!
Don't come in, go outside.
You're a bloody fool. Come back here. Come in. Will you move?
Greetings, my princess.
Yes, greetings. How may I help you?
The king requests your presence.
Oh, my father, the king. Tell him I'll be with him in a bit.
Yes, my princess. Okay.
Bloody fool. Nonsense. What was that? Oh, what was that?
I was trying to cut the something.
Cut what? Huh? Cut what? Little witch, born of a bigger witch. Bloody fool. Do you have anybody as beautiful as me in your lineage? Oh, I forgot. I'm my cousin. Rubbish. Just go ahead. Go ahead! Babbling. Continue!
Oh, here comes the prettiest,
Smile.
the prettiest, the fairest of 10,000. Ah, shush! The star in my sky that shines ever so bright. With an incandescent light, glowing so bright. Ah, the only one worthy to bear the royal blood in her veins. Oh, my daughter. My daughter.
Now you want to make me cry.
No.
Good morning, Father. Good morning, Mother.
Good morning, my princess.
Thank you, Mom.
My angel. Obi ụtọ nna ya. Ọmụmụ asarụ. I hope you slept well.
I slept beautifully well. I had a splendid night. I mean, I woke up feeling like a gorgeous princess.
Yes, you should, my dear. You see, your shining, dazzling, radiant face gladdens my heart.
Oh, Father.
Ah, my dear, you are the source of my morning joy.
Father.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much, Father. Thank you.
Ah, my dear, you see, the Prince of Mwezema's kingdom is slated to enter this kingdom for the first time in 3 days' time. And he is coming for the first time to behold your radiant face. His own bride. I think it that the moment he enters this palace and beholds your dazzling, shining, pretty face, he's going to fall headlong in love with you, my dear.
Father, I can see it clearly. A clear picture of the prince holding me. Father!
Yes.
I am so eager
Yes.
to see him. I can't wait. I can see us hand in hand, walking slowly, gliding, Father.
Gliding.
Yes, Father.
Holding hands.
Oh, Father. And gliding
darling father.
And you glide, and you glide.
This is total unusual. From princess to palace maiden on the Zimmer. You have taught a royal clothes. Ibenya wamebu a royal nileo. Onebe. No one to cry. You go to Sarah, no one to cry. No one to cry.
Mother, how long will you two keep watching? My position is forcefully being taken away from me. My cousin now parades herself as the princess of our kingdom, while I'm being made her servant. Father, this is not fair. How long will you and mother watch? How long will you keep watching while everything you've ever worked for is being forcefully taken away from you? This was how they forcefully took away your throne, and now they're taking everything away from me.
Greetings. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where's my brother?
The king is inside, awaiting the arrival of his new son, the few elders.
Let me join them.
He has to leave. He doesn't have to go the way of his brothers. Yes, he will leave. My dynasty has not come to an end yet.
Igwe, the great king of the land, the gods are with you. You have not wronged any spirit, nor mortals. You have not forcefully taken what does not belong to you. My king, you have not oppressed the poor, the widows, nor the fatherless. Therefore, the gods will not let you lose.
Igwe. Ezekwete, my only brother.
Elders, I greet you.
Fear of the unknown, anxiety, depression, they have beclouded me, Ezekwete.
Fear not, my brother. The light is here. Ezekwete has come. All your fears are gone. What is that I'm hearing?
That's the voice of my son! He lives! He lives! I am a grandfather! Yes, he's alive! My son is alive!
May the gods be praised!
May the gods be praised! May the gods be praised!
The eagle has landed. He has landed. The eagle has landed. Finally.
What troubles you, my husband?
The same thing, the same issue that has troubled me for years.
Your ambition?
Yes, to be the king of this land. And my only daughter, the princess of this land. And see my only daughter married to the prince of Umezeman's kingdom.
But you're close to it already. What happened?
So I talked until Akwokwotiwaraki failed me.
Failed you? How? How? But he has never for once failed you.
He failed me this time. The boy is alive.
What? My husband! You don't mean it!
It's me, Ezekweche.
Ezekweche, the great man of Umozome Kingdom.
Akwa, stop the Helen. Akwa, you have failed.
Blasphemy! Blasphemy! Be careful with your choice of words, lest you incur the wrath of Omaliko to yourself.
I am just coming back from the palace. My brother's wife gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. The boy is alive. The boy lives.
What? What did you just say?
Exactly what you heard.
That's not possible. I am Akwatiwara Aki, the celebrated chief priest of Obaliko. No mortal challenges me. No! That's not possible.
What they just did. The boy is alive.
Ade is my daughter. Please, I want you to sleep with me tonight. My heart is broken. All your brothers that came before you, they all left. They left your mother and I. Even though Noche, that everyone was happy that he made it alive. Suddenly, he left like his brothers. Like a splash of the light. Ades, my heart is broken. Your father is a man of many sorrows.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Thank you, my daughter. Please sleep with me tonight, please.
to know.
You went out of your way to take your destiny in your hands. I am here to take mine. Whatever steps you are planning to take dies with you. My destiny, no one can change.
I saw the day they took life out of you, Father. I know I was still a child, but I saw the way he snipped life out of you. Your death, he killed you. I am very sure of that because I saw it. He killed you.
My king.
Emperor. This is presumptuous.
This is lovely. Very lovely.
Eat, drink, and be merry. My son is here.
Yes.
The eagle have landed. Yes, Onoje is here. I want to tell you a story of how I ended my 20 years of misery.
Igwe, go ahead, we are all ears. We are in the mood of celebration, Your Highness. Yes. You can go on with the story.
After my wife gave birth to 10 male children, who all died at childbirth, she took him and gave birth to our 11th child, my daughter, Adaeze, and she survived. The survival of Adaeze opened my eyes. I now discovered that what was happening to me was not ordinary. And to confirm it, our next son was born dead. My wife gave birth to my 11th son, a stillborn. That was when I decided to take my destiny by my own hands. Spirits of our land, gods of our land, spirits of our ancestors, gods of our forefathers, today, I, Igwe Oranye, I stand at a point where four parts meet, naked, And I declare that I have not done any evil against any man. I have not forcefully taken away from any man what belongs to him. I have not paid anyone with evil. If I am telling lies, let my sons keep dying at birth. But if I am not telling lies, let my sons live for me. Please, do not allow my enemy to succeed in his ploy to deprive me and my lineage the throne of our ancestors. Gods of our land, gods of our ancestors, gods of our forefathers. My wife, 2 years to take in after the exercise. But at the fullness of time, today, Onotie is here. He's alive.
Yes.
Anyway, it pays to do good.
Anyway, the best legacy on earth is living a pure and honest life. With your Ghana.
Okay.
Eat and make merry. I have more drinks, more food to eat. So eat to your satisfaction. Onotie is here.
Thank you.
Your brother decided to take his destiny in his own hands by embarking on a more deadly ritual. A ritual that is more potent than the sacrifice you made.
What ritual are you talking about?
The ritual of the meeting point of the 4 market days of the week. Eke, Ori, Afo. That is the greatest ritual that has ever been. It is a ritual done by those whose ends are clean. It can neutralize any other ritual.
Aqua, you know how ambitious I have always been about this throne. I prefer losing my life than to lose this throne. Aqua, do something, do something.
Eseme. Wonyona. Ubo zikwache tari na wonyona. Ubo tari na wonyona. Wonyona. Miroke. Eseme meno wa. Miroke. Okay, Miroke. What do you want me to do?
Aqua, you know what to do. I want the boy dead, even as we speak.
Eseme wonyono. Uboze kweshatare na wonyono. Miroke. Eseme meno wa. Onyana menwana. Wan juwo. Onyana menwana. Wan juwe. Miro. Ezekweshe, I will do as you wish. But be rest assured, I have no hand in this. His blood will be upon your head and not my head.
On this ground I stand. I swear, let the blood be on my head, on my children's head, on my children's head.
Gods of our land, may no evil befall this one.
Igwe, nothing shall happen to your son.
You see?
Yes! Nothing shall happen to him! Onotie will not die. As long as he was born alive. As long as he breathes till this moment, he shall not die.
He will.
Yes.
He shall not die.
He cannot die.
He will live.
My son is alive. He cannot die. Doctor! If it is bad news, better keep it to yourself. All I want from you is my son! Where is son Ochie, my son?
Doctor, were you able to do anything? We are waiting. Talk to us.
Ears are itching.
Well, he died before they got to the hospital. I tried all I could. We tried everything we know to revive him, but it all proved abortive.
Hey! Hey! What is this, Nduka? What is this? Why have the gods forsaken us?
No, truly, the gods has forsaken us. Chi ewere yeje.
I'm so sorry, my husband. I'm so sorry I've disappointed you again. I'm sorry, please, my
No, you didn't disappoint me. You did not. You gave me a son. You gave me Onochie, my son. But that which has vowed to never let go didn't rest. Even after everything I did to make him live. Now it is clear to me that a man of many sorrows I am. I was destined for so many troubles. Hey! Sit down, my queen. Sit down. Sit down.
My king, Igwe, my brother, what am I hearing? That my nephew is dead.
Ezekweche, my brother, our joy has been cut short suddenly.
Hi!
Our happiness has been taken away from us. We are now as empty and as sorrowful as we used to be.
God of Aran, why? Why?
Hey! I'm not here. Adeze, my daughter. Please, I want you to sleep with me tonight. My heart is broken. all your brothers that came before you, they all left. They left your mother and I. Even though Noche, that everyone was happy that he made it alive. Suddenly, he left like his brothers, like a splash of the light. Ades, my heart is broken. Your father is a man of many sorrows.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Thank you, my daughter. Please sleep with me tonight, please.
So my brother couldn't survive the death of his last son. Hey! Death. How wicked can you be? Taking father and son the same day. How? Hey! 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 Oh!
I saw the pain all over him yesterday. He couldn't bear it.
Ndukwa, you are very right. A great king has gone. There is none like our king. We only pray that his gentle soul rest in the bosom of the gods.
The gods are wise.
Indeed, they are.
The Iroku has fallen.
Where is the little princess Ades? Where is she?
Yes, that reminds me.
Adeze! Adeze! This girl will be Adeze! Adeze, you don't put me in too much trouble. Adeze, where are you? Adeze, where is this girl? I'm finished. Hey, Adeze, what are you doing here? I've been looking for you everywhere. I've looked for you everywhere in this palace. What are you hiding there?
I was afraid.
You were afraid? Afraid of what?
I saw him.
You saw who?
I saw my uncle. I saw him killing my father.
Listen, look at me, my princess. Don't you ever utter these words again from this mouth. Did you hear that? Do you want to put us into trouble? Please, don't say that again, okay? I didn't hear anything. Okay, let's go, okay? Let's go. Hey, let's go, don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? Don't say that again, don't say that to anyone. Did you hear me? Don't say that to anyone. Let's go.
Mother, you were so scared of death. But you still lost your life barely 1 month after your husband was killed. Mother, your mysterious death is not a mystery to me at all. I am very sure that they are the one who snipped life out of you just to silence you, so that they can complete the task they have started. But one thing I don't know, one thing I am not sure, I'm so concerned about is your silence. Why are you keeping silence in the life beyond? Why are you not doing something? Now what is rightfully mine is being taken away from me. Their daughter is about to get married to the prince of Umunzemanzi kingdom. And I, the legitimate princess of Umuzome kingdom, is left with nothing. Father, Mother, is this how you two are going to be silent? Are you going to allow me to continue to suffer like this for the rest of my life? Mother, please do something. Mother, please do something. I'm begging you. I am tired. I am tired. I'm tired. Please.
Ace! My princess. Hey, move here! Look at them, looking like butterflies. Cross over. Move! Where is Daisy? I haven't seen her. Am I talking to humans or goats? I said, where is Daisy?
My princess, we don't know where she is.
You don't know?
My princess, I saw her leave the palace gate, but I wouldn't know where she went to.
There is nothing you bunch of idiots knows. The only thing you know how to do in this palace is eat, sleep, and gossip. Look at them, looking like principalities and powers. Rubbish! Immediately she gets back, tell her I want to see her. Do I make myself clear? Rubbish.
What is this? Princess is angry with you.
With me?
She's been searching for you since.
Why?
You left the palace without telling her now.
Is that all?
She said she'll report to her chamber once you come back.
Thank you. Limbada. She'll report to her chamber when she come back. One day people give somebody BP in this palace. Look the way she just dragged me. I thought somebody has died in this palace. Every small thing, everything they will be doing in this palace. Let me collapse before my time because I'm working in this palace. If you people kill me, everybody will rest. And my soul will rest in peace. I will let my soul rest in peace one night. The way these people are suffering in this palace, my soul can't rest in peace. Because the suffer like I suffer in this palace.
How dare you, my princess? Shut up. How dare you leave your duty post?
I'm sorry.
Shut up! That is the problem with humans. You think anytime you say sorry, everything becomes right. You went out of this palace without informing anybody. You think you can just wake up one beautiful morning and do anything that suits you without any form of constraint? Do you remember your position in this palace? If you don't, I will give you a soft reminder. You are nothing but a mere palace maid. You are my slave. You have no right to your own time, to your own space, at your own will. You won't do anything until I ask you. Have I made myself clear?
I just do that.
You just what? Stop talking when I am talking. Sorry for your silly self. Now listen to me. You will go out there, kneel under the sun. That is your punishment. You won't rise up from that spot until I ask you to. Are you still standing there staring at me?
Sorry, ma'am.
Shush away from here! Get away! Look at her looking like an overcooked earthworm.
Because of our land,
Rubbish!
I come to you this day with my eyes full of tears. Obiti wale tewa, yakam jibedia.
Father, why must I marry from Umozome Kingdom? And why must I marry the princess?
You don't seem to like them, do you?
I haven't said that, Father.
So why the question?
You don't seem to understand me, Father.
Maybe I don't.
Father, there are lots of beautiful girls right here in this kingdom. Why do I have to travel hundreds of kilometers to a particular kingdom to marry from a particular family?
That is spiritual, son. That is divine. It is sacred. We may not know why because we grew up to meet the ordinance. But the least we can do is to follow it up as handed down to us by our forefathers. It is said that in every fourth generation, the prince of Umwezemazi must marry the princess of Umwozome Kingdom. That is how the gods have made it, and that is how we have kept it till this very day.
But times have changed, Father. Isn't it time we question these ordinances and heritage, especially the ones we don't know why they were ordained in the first place? Isn't that why you sent your children to school?
We are royalty, not commoners. We should be the custodian of the culture and ordinances, and not the ones fighting it. Son, I wouldn't want us to discuss this any further. Get ready to visit your bride tomorrow.
But Father,
this discussion is over.
Nobody wants to listen to your point of view. You must do things their way. Come on. Don't I have the right to ask questions? Especially with things that concern my life. This is my life we're talking about here. It's my marriage. It's my marriage, goddammit. It's my life we're talking about here. I have every right to ask questions.
Shelley, I am sending you with my son. He knows nothing about the culture and the tradition. You are to be his guardian angel. Make sure it doesn't slip his feet or his tongue. Is that understood?
Yes, Your Majesty. Trust me, I will take care of this.
I trust you. Where is he? Send someone to his room and call him. We don't have all the time in the world.
Let me look for one of the guards to do that, sir.
Be fast about it.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Please, Carrie, hold this one.
Easy. Easy does it. Easy? Easy does it. What the hell is wrong with you? You want to strangle me?
Sorry.
Get away here. Shush away. Rubbish. Can somebody just tell me how beautiful I am looking today?
My princess, you're very beautiful and all planned out.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you.
My princess.
Yes, darling.
Beautiful is an understatement. You look so beautiful.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. But next time you add the word gorgeous. Say gorgeous. Gorgeous. I want to see your veins.
Gorgeous.
Oh my God. Thank you. Adeze, what do you have to say?
My princess, they have said it all.
They have said what all? I am asking you, what have they said? Can't you say something beautiful in your own words? Can't you give me appraisals, make me feel like a princess that I am? Was I the one who asked the gods to take the throne from your father and hand it over to mine? Was I the gods who killed your parents? Listen, it's a happy day for me. I do not want you to get me upset. You will do yourself well and behave like a normal human being. Do I make myself clear? Sorry for your dead parents!
My princess.
Yes, my darling.
What does she say?
Baby elephant. Witch!
You're not keeping your leg well. So.
What did you say?
See, you're not keeping.
What did I hear you say? Octopus. Baby octopus. Yes, go on, darling.
My princess, whether she says it or not, it makes no difference. Your beauty radiates like the morning sun.
My goodness.
Whom the gods has favor, no one can cut.
Don't they play, they lie, don't they lie.
What nonsense did you just spit? I asked, what nonsense did you spit? I asked again, what nonsense did you spit?
I was praising you.
Praise your dead parents and your God-forsaken life, Maid. Yes, you were saying.
My princess, whether she says it or not, it makes no difference. Your beauty radiates like the morning sun.
My goodness.
Whom the gods has favor, no one can cut.
You see you? You must definitely make heaven.
Thank you, my princess.
Go ahead. Don't let this witch touch me. Oh, I'm look so beautiful. Gosh, how did God create me this beautiful?
In the morning.
In the morning, right? We were joking, we joked to death. Which? And as for you, you smile too much. You don't join the train. Tell Oluchi she will go with us. You stay back here. You stay back here and smile to the gods. Go back! Back! It's not tight enough. Back!